Hello everyone, I'm Sanya Sadaf and welcome back to our AWS Developer Associate series. Today's video is all about using the AWS CLI and SDKs, two essential tools every AWS developer should know. Let's get started. This is our table of contents for today's video. We will discuss developer tools, AWS CLI, configuring AWS CLI in action, AWS SDKs, and we will discuss how CLI, SDK, and console are different. We are discussing today on developer tools actually used in the real world, the AWS Command Line Interface (CLI) and SDKs. These tools aren't just nice to know, they're tested on the certification exam, and they make cloud development way more powerful. The AWS CLI is a tool that lets you manage AWS services right from your terminal. Instead of clicking around in the AWS console, you can use quick commands to automate tasks, manage resources, and run scripts. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect for developers who love automation. With one command, you can create an S3 bucket, launch an EC2 instance, or deploy a Lambda function. Configuring AWS Command Line Interface. To use the CLI, you first need to install it. It works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once installed, you run AWS Configure. You'll enter your AWS access key ID, secret access key, default region, and output format like JSON or text. Just make sure you're using IAM best practices. Don't use the root user for configuration. Create an IAM user with programmatic access and correct permissions. Command line interface in action. Here's where the CLI shines. Say you want to list all S3 buckets. Instead of opening the console, just run AWS S3 LS. And if you want to check running EC2 instances, you can use AWS EC2 describe instances. Use the help command anytime to get documentation. These commands are powerful and scriptable, meaning you can automate anything from backups to deployments. AWS SDKs, what developers use. SDK stands for Software Development Kit. It's basically a toolkit that lets you write code in your favorite programming language to interact with AWS. There's an AWS SDK for Python called Go23, JavaScript, Java, C Sharp, Go, and many more. Instead of just running CLI commands, you can write full applications that talk to AWS, upload a file, start an instance, or trigger a Lambda, all from your code. This is essential for backend development and automation. Command line interface, software development kit, and the console. The AWS console is easy to use and great for quick tasks. The CLI is faster and better for automation, perfect when you don't want to click around. The software development kit is used in code when building real apps that talk to AWS. So use the console when you're exploring, the CLI for scripts, and SDK when writing actual programs. So to wrap this up, CLI is great for quick actions and scripting. SDK is perfect for integrating AWS with your application. Console is beginner friendly but not scalable for real development. As a developer, you'll use CLI and SDKs a lot. Practice them well. And that is the end of our video for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Sanya Sadaf and I'll see you in the next video.